Hi, my name is Sandra Shaw. This video is for Edol 700. It is based off the Philosophical Orientation Questionnaire. My philosophical orientation crisscrosses with my purpose and my values. Some of my values consist of family, honesty, authenticity, and love. According to the Philosophical Orientation Questionnaire, my operating philosophy is the human operating philosophy. People with a dominant human operating philosophy are inclined to decide the authenticity of an action in terms of its influence on particular people and its effect on the worth of the association in which they have with other individuals. The primary importance of someone who has a dominant operating philosophy in human values such as intimacy and friendship. My purpose is to educate and to motivate others to be successful. I can do this by becoming more educated and lead by example. My purpose coincides with my values and my philosophical orientation. Thank you.